Right, just on a new stretch of river here. I'm just a bit further up from where I was the other day. I didn't manage to get down this bit because I had to get back. So I just thought I'd pop down here, see if I could see anything. So it's looking pretty. Yeah, so I'm going to start looking, see if I can find anything. We'll see. Well, here's my first find. Literally 2 minutes later. Just sat there. This will be an insulator. Oh, seen better days. Still attached to its massive bolt. That's cool. Usually the maybe have a bit of lettering on the top. The ones I've had before. This looks a bit warm. Warm. What am I seeing? Oh, there's a 25. I don't know where you can see that. Yeah. Is it a 25? Might be a 26. A couple of grazers. There we go. Insulator. First off. Whoop. Right, I can just see something in the water here. It looks a bit manky. But I can see some lettering. If I whip myself round. You see there? This thing here. Right, excuse all the movement. Just want to give it a bit of a brushy. It's a bit manky in this area. See, I don't know what all these things are. It looks like mould growing everywhere. It doesn't look very pleasant. That seems a bit stuck. I'm going to have to get my hands in. Right. I'll get this out and then show you what the crack is. Right, I've got out the water. As expected. Not really very much of it there. Yeah, you can see Victoria Street, Gateshead. Something Bros. Something on the back here as well. Oh, Dowson. Oh, it's the Dowson Bros. There we go. There's a jar with lettering. Interesting. Never found a full jar. So, still waiting for that one. I think I need to look harder. Okay. Carry on. Oh, there's some pretty chunky looking mushroomy fungus on this bit of wood. Check that out. That sounds solid. That's clearly not a mushroom. That's some sort of tumour. Tumour on the tree. I just saw something metal across here just while I was glancing. What's this? Is that metal? Looks metal. Oh, Jesus. Right. Whoa. Yes, that there that I'm looking at. Right, give us a minute and I'll say what it is. Well, I should have known what it was really. It's a bit of drainage pipe. It just looked metal from where I was standing, but it's ceramic. Got a bit of a chip out of one side, but overall not looking too bad. So I think I'll leave that in the river to try and get some of the crap out and pick it up as I walk back, because it's bloody heavy. Right, so there we go, drainage pipe. Right, this is the first bit of glass I've seen so far. I see it just blends in, everything's just got this black coloration. Oh, God. Don't even know if this is old. Looks like it. Well, it does look like it's got some lettering on it there. It looks like ENS LEW. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera, I'm looking at the bottle. LEW something limited S. That's tricky. Yeah, camera's gone out of focus. Can't tap it. Focus. Oh God, it's murder, this camera. There we go. Don't really know what that is. What maker, I should say. I think I've just found a little bit of a mechanism, a rusty old mechanism off a clock, most likely, because I can see cogs. God, it's rusted up a tree. See some bits there. There you go. Oh, I tell you what, there's a bit of a ripe smell round here, and it's emanating from that pipe there. God, it absolutely reeks. They're not pleasant. Oh, grim. I'm having a nose of salt. Oh, I'm being joined by some little sheepy sheep. Hey sheepy. Hello. Well, it's very tempting to go and say hello. Oh. Hello. Ah, they've all been sheared. Well, in this heat, I'm sure they'll probably appreciate it. Oh, sheepy sheep. Oh, I just want to go and cuddle one. Well, here's a book I haven't seen before. Stein. Stein. Sod's German. That's my poor German accent. Deutschmark. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7. Yeah, got that. I think I may already have this one. Crossley. Nice brick as well. There's 2 bricks. Ooh. Again, everything's looking pretty bloody heavy. Yeah, looks like somebody's BMX'd their bike into the river. Looks like most of it's there. I can see the seat, the handlebars. God, they must have had a bit of a wipe out. God, that is like... It's like bloody cemented into the river. everything's just like cement. It's ridiculous. Literally kind of half the things I try and get out the river I can't get out because it's like they're just epoxied in place. There you go. Bike. What kind is it? A control tech. Right, just flip the brick over in the water here. It's got some lettering on it. I can't really tell what it is at the minute. I'm just looking here down the side of it. Oh, there's some. It's an old Victorian stone. It's like path edging or garden edging. That's a nice one with the rope twist top. Yeah, that's nearly intact. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's so hard to see everything in the river. So it's either just black or it's too reflective. Anyway, I'm going to get this brick out, have a look, see what that is. Right. See, you can see this brick. It's a bit hard to tell here. I'm sure it'll be a lot more legible when it's dry. But that is actually New Bransworth. Yeah, just spotted this here. A bit hard to miss, like. Oh. Yeah, it's a bell jobber. I've just completely pulled it apart there. I'm just trying to see if there's a maker. It says made in England, Stockport, England. Yeah. An old metal bell. Classroom style. Fire alarm. There's a sprocket off a bike. Oh God, it's off. It's off breathing equipment. No. What the hell? No, that's not breathing equipment, is it? I was thinking scope diving. What the hell? I don't know what that is. Low pressure. LP gas. Oh, is that something for like a barbecue or something? Oh, I like the attachment on the end. I do like that attachment. Yeah, that's metal as well. I might take that. I don't know why, but I might. Just seeing a little bit of evidence around here. So you're looking at it's a paste jar. It was this that caught my eye. So it's striped. Yeah, a little bit of pot. I've seen this. Part of a toy gun. Revolver. Possibly. And I just keep seeing just enough to keep making. Oh, I've just seen something there. Whoa, is this going to be the longest pipe stem I've ever found? Is it a pipe stem? Oh, god damn it, it's a piece of wire. Oh, damn it. Oh, it's pain. What's this? What's this here? Oh, a bit more pain. A little bit more disappointment. Oh, god damn it. Oh, look, there's a bit of glass. There's a bit of bloody glass. Chunky monk. I was all excited. All excited. Damn it. Just haven't found a piece of pipe today. I'm just waiting for it. Yeah, I keep seeing bits of glass. Bits of old glass. God, man, there's got to be something around here, man. Oh. If I don't find something, there's something wrong. Right. Keep dodging. Yeah, I believe we've got a partial concert brick there. There's an Eldon one there. I can't remember. I've got a feeling I've got an Eldon one, but I'm not 100%. Right, here's some more bricks. That's Pelton. There's the same one up here. God, there's a really weird smell from round here. It smells like chemicals. Yeah, it doesn't smell very good. I'll see. That's CBW. Not seen that before. I'm sure I can see an insulator up there. Stick to it. Okay. There we go. Part of a ceramic insulator, I believe. Oh, I say that one's well knackered, like. Well knackered. Right. I'm going to continue looking now. Right. Looks like I found a bottle top. Oh my goodness. I'm looking. I've seen the bottle top and my eyes are dashing about here and I'm just seeing more things. Right, okay. Right, I've just seen the bottle top. Here we go. Just there by these bricks. There we go. Forks. Cool. Volks. Right. There's that. Know what I'm saying? Oh gosh. It never ends. More insulators. What is going on round here? Insulators everywhere. I'm assuming this is this piece of wood. It's the entire thing. Oh, nah. Oh, there's a bit of movement. Yeah, I just unscrew. If they're plain ball, which this one is. And there you go. So you can actually see it's still got some of the wire on it. I'll be able to get this one off. I don't really want to shred my hand on ceramic. Oh well, there you go. I've just kind of pulled that off. Oh, it's actually got some lettering on. I shall show you. Get it the right way around. GPO. Loads of other numbering, patterns. So there's that. I can actually see, because you, obviously with it being a cross beam, you think, well, oh, there should be ones on the other side. And I can see that there's one there. I think there's maybe another one on there. Yeah, I can see one there. Oh. Yeah, so lots of insulators, not big ones. Don't look overly complete, but I do like finding insulators. Yeah, definitely seeing more stuff around there. I wish I'd started at this end of the river rather than the other, but yeah, a big teapot handle, or I don't know, you would have thought a teapot rather than a tureen. I can see something there. I'm assuming this is probably naked. Yeah, just a little neck of a bottle there. Yeah, seeing bits and bobs. Yet another brick. Oh, I don't know what I'm going to do. I wish I brought me other bag. Oh, I haven't even finished going up the river. I'm nearly there. I'm nearly up to the bridge. So I'll be heading back down. But I'm just thinking I'm not going to be able to carry half of these. I think I can fit maybe 3 or 4 in my rucksack. And then I've got my bag, my loose bag with all the towels in. And I've seen about like 6, 7 bricks that I want to take, so I may have to take what I can, come back down, do another run. I can see a toad. Let's see if I can get a frontal without scaring it. I do love froggies / toads, whatever they, whichever one it is. I'd say toady, seeing as it's got lumps. Yeah. Oh, that's made me smile. Just standing there taking a break. Oh, the barb is so heavy. I don't think I can fit anything else in it. There's another 2 bricks there that I want to take. Then there's the bit of pipe. Just getting... literally, it's getting to the point where I can barely lift the bag. I've just spotted something. I just picked up another insulator. I'm not sure. I'm starting to doubt whether it is actually another insulator or whether it's one that I've had in my bag and then it's dropped out and then I'm picking it back up. I'm not too sure. But, oh goodness. I've just seen something down there as I'm stood. I'm just getting a drink. Yeah, where's it gone? See, look at this. Right. Where's it gone? Oh, shite. This is what I get for taking my eyes off it. Oh, there we go. Oh. Good. Yeah. Little glass stopper. Oh, I seem to be zoomed in. Haven't found a glass stopper in ages, so that's good. Put one in my bag. Oh God, wish I had a cigarette. This is just torture. It's torture. Right. Remain calm. I think I may find the Stoneware Bottle. Oh my goodness. I was just going to pick up the rest of my bricks. No way, it looks intact. Oh my God. Oh. Come on, you beauty. No way. Get the F out of town. Get out of town. Oh my God, that is the first Stoneware Bottle I've ever found. Oh my gosh. Right, I'm walking to where my bricks are. Where the hell are my bricks? Oh. Right, just a minute. I've taken all my bloody brushes and left them in the car. Oh, I can't. Oh, there they are. They're up there. Up here. I can't believe that. Right. Just get to the bricks. Right. Chuck me stick. Right. Let's get it rinsed. I can't believe it. Oh, it's absolutely chocker. Right, what's that say? Invalid Stout. Delves Lane Concert. This bottle is guaranteed to contain Dublin Stout. Bottled by N. Elston. Oh, that's amazing. I can't believe I found that. I literally can't believe I found it. I've seen nothing. I've seen no. This is exactly like the other day. Like literally, I'm barely seeing any glass. The bits that I am seeing are just little shrapnel pieces or bottlenecks. And then boom. There's a ceramic bottle, a stoneware bottle. I'm flabbergasted. I'm just talking. I'm not even showing the bottle. I'm just in shock. Right, I'm going to clean that up, carry it very carefully back to the car with these bloody bricks, that are killing us. Oh man, oh, that just makes me want to be... No, I've got to get home. Got to get home. Here's an unusual brick, just flipped it over because I noticed it had this, say, this cut out thing here. I thought, oh, what's that about? Say it's a monster, and it looks like it's got SR1 19S or 8. It's a bit hard to tell. It looks like S on the phone. Is that a Sunderland postcode? I don't know. It's an unusual brick though. So in theory I should take it. I am feeling pretty freaking knackered. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. There's no point thinking I'm not. Oh, yeah, another brick. This is Delves. Not seen it before. Oh, it's tempting to take it back. Oh, I'm so close to the car. Oh, I might just have to. Oh man, my back's giving up. Right. Right. Oh, right, I'm gonna lug this thing back to the car and then I'm coming. I'm going home. I'm going home. I'm going. Laura's going home. 10 bricks in a bag. Honey is coming. Oh God. Right, put my phone away. Right, just thought I'd show you all the bricks I've brought back. This is where they're currently being stored. So, not done anything with them yet, but I'll have to come up with something. Yeah, I'm sure I have got duplicates in there. These are some nice ones that I got from a recent holiday to the Peak District. I was so pleased with them. I didn't take a video of us picking them out the river, but needless to say, I was very pleased when I found them. Yeah, also found that while I was there. It's like a bell-shaped piece of brick. I haven't cleaned it yet actually. Looks like it was a weight for something. Oh yes, and I have 2 other mystery items that I haven't been able to identify. So I may just do a video of them, so if anybody's got any ideas, you can hit us with some info. Right, these are the mystery things from the Peak District. That was coated in rust. I thought it was actually a pipe when I saw the shape of that, but I've wire brushed it all off. It looks like it's sort of threaded internally. Oh man, I can't really see that, can you? There we go. I haven't got a clue what that is, so any ideas welcome. Then there was this, which has got Henderson oil hole, patented, and then some number in there. Now I've tried to look into that, I can't find it. So yeah, mysteries all round. Any info welcome.